quiet, you came my way, like morning light after a stormy day. I've walked through years, I've seen the rain, carried my share of joy and pain. Then you arrived, so warm and true, and somehow home became you. Like an old tree standing through the years, your love has sheltered all my fears. You are the gift I never knew, the gentle sky that pulled me through. If I have one prayer before I'm gone, it's to hold your hand and carry on. We've shared the seasons, slow and bright, held each other through the night. No perfect road, no promised way, just love that grows with every day. Like rivers finding their way to sea, your heart keeps calling home to me. You are the gift I never knew, the gentle sky that pulled me through. I choose your hand through every mile, through every tear, through every smile. And if tomorrow brings a colder rain, I'll stand beside you once again. For love is not the years we count, but every moment that truly counts. You are the gift I never knew, my quiet strength, my morning blue. As long as there is breath in me, your love is where I'll always be. So take my heart